Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. This week's vlog about, alam sa dami ko, Street Fighter sa ASAP natin to. At sino kaya yung gumanap na Street Fighter character sa mga ASAP natin to dancers? Subscribe na to the YouTube channel kung gusto kong mag-subscribe at gusto kong mag-views. Sana. Para mo 100 subscribers sa. This is Vlog 107 and Episode 107 titled Street Fighter at ASAP natin to. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan na natin. Last week, ang ginanap ang hashtag ASAP sikat sa episode ng ASAP natin to last week, March 21, 2021. Ang Street Fighter, si-celebrate na ng 30 years, pero 1987, pero magte-34 na yung 2021 sa August 30. At ang apat dyan is dancers Kim Chiu, Maya Entrata, AC Bonifacio, and James Oblique. Na i-reaction na tayo sa ati si Kim Chiu ay wala iba kundi ang first ever Street Fighter female character or first strongest woman in the world, Chun-Li, while AC Bonifacio as Cammy, siya ay third female character sa Street Fighter. Habang si James Oblique as Ryu, kung saan siya ang main protagonist ng Street Fighter since 1987, at si Maya Entrata bilang Sakura Kasuganon, siya ang fourth female fighter sa Street Fighter since 1996. Ito na yung mga music songs na ginamit from last week's ASAP na dito episode na ito. From the team of Space Jam, You're Ready for This, Pop Up the Jam, and the tag team Who This. Okay? Ang reaction ko, I think, si Kim Chiu bilang Chun-Li na dati, 5 years ago, na as Chun-Li sa It's Showtime, pero guest host muna. Na yung host na sa Showtime, na yung last year to. Ang ganda yung, yung baka fighting spirit, tsaka yung palaban. While AC Bonifacio as Cammy, parang si Kylie Minogue. Pero okay naman yung sumayaw. Si Jason Blake as Ryu, Hadouken ang style mo. Pero okay naman yung sexiest. Pero bakit ang sexy naman, tapos may gwapo pa. Parang ang hot yung pakita yung steps. While si Maya Entrata as Sakura Kasuganon, ang comment ko is, okay naman yung sayo. Parang sinuot Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon talaga! Oh, Sailor Moon yan. Parang si Sailor Moon. I think it's Sailor Moon. Sakura Kasuganon kasi yung sinuot, parang Sailor Moon. Para estudyante yung sinuot. Pero ang ganda yung sumayaw. Sabi, girlfriend ni Ryu si Sakura, okay naman. Pero nag-comment sa Twitter. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanonood last week sa ating ASAP na dito episode. Maraming salamat po. And this week is sayo naman from the song of the master rapper, the late Francis Magdalena. Later on, ASAP na dito. Now, oras na para sa ating important announcement that the NCR Plus Bubble or NCR Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, and Rizal isa-ilalis sa Enhanced Community Quarantine for 7 days from March 29 tomorrow to April 4, 2021 para due to COVID-19 spike. Paano nangyayari ito? Kaya iiwasan mo natin COVID-19 tips. Kagaya last week sa panoonin na natin. Okay. Ang COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19, ito yung sakit na katulad ng sipon, upo, at natnat, pati na sa di na hinga. Okay? Di na hinga. Ano po yung tutod na symptoms? Pneumonia, acute respiratory syndrome, and hindi nang hinga o hindi na kaya. Here's some tips about COVID-19. 1. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. 2. Always cover your mouth and nose para makahatching ka, para iwasan ng hatching. 3. Wear your mask kapag iwasan yung maraming tao na hindi mahirapan. Next is, kailangan kumain ng masustansya pagkain katulad ng fruits and vegetables, and also especially fish, meats, and eggs. Then, iwasan see the doctor para magkamay natnat or sakit. Okay? Para magsulta sa doktor araw-araw. And lastly, idala lang sa bahay. Okay? Ayan! That's it for our latest vlog for this week. Stay safe muna and have a holy week. See you next time. Bye-bye! Wala muna mag-vlog na yung Holy Week. Thanks for watching!